So hey hello guys. Today today I Vaishnav will start to teach you Python. So today the topics will be covered will be introduction about Python, variable in Python, list in Python, tuple in Python and set in Python. So let's get started. If we have just no what is if we have just started to learn any programming language, doesn't matter it is Java, Python, C++, anyone, a most important question appears. That is, what is coding? So coding or programming is to just instruct your computer what to do. Yeah, you are the person who will teach your computer that what to do. It means the programming. So we will learn Python because Python is more easier than Java, C++, and many other language, and it is most reliable. Then a topics comes variable in Python. So what is variable? What is variable? Variable is a container in which you have put in a value and name it is called as variable. Means this is the container which you name as name. Okay, and you have put in a value Vaishnav. So this Vaishnav is a value and this container is a name. So then a variable is mutable. Yeah. So means you have made a variable in which you have a value Vaishnav. Now you want to change it. So you can change it. So just practice it on a blackboard and then in IDE. So now we have made a variable called as name and a value in it Vaishnav. So in this what's happened in your PC. PC you get a specific place in which you get a variable known as name in which you have a value. In this, right, we have written name and Vaishnav. So our name is our container. And Vaishnav is our value.
Yeah, fine, completely fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I have told you that a variable is mutable. Now we have made a variable named Vaishnav. Now we have a value Vaishnav which we want to change in Yash. So for changing it is called as mutable. So let's change it. For changing it, I have to write a command name and simply like I wrote the value Vaishnav, I have to write the value Yash and press enter. So let's do this in our IDLE shell. So this is our IDLE shell and we also call this as interpreter. So in this I will make a variable name and a value in it. Now I will press enter. Yeah. So let's check in our PC we got a variable or not. For checking it, I have to just write the name of our variable and press enter. We got the value Vaishnav. It means that our variable is correct. So as I told you, a variable is mutable. You can change its value. So now I will change the value Vaishnav to Yash. Name is equal to so let's check the value is changed or not. For that, just press enter and now write name. Now I'll press enter. Now we got value yes. It means you have changed the value of your variable. So that's about variable. And now we will start with our next topic. Now our next topic comes list in Python. As in variable, you got a container called as variable. Here we got a container list. And there will be more than one value. It is same like a variable, but the difference is this: in variable you can put only one value, but in list you can put more than one value. As we have wrote for variable, we doesn't use any brackets and all. But to know your computer that it is a list, we have to use a square bracket. Yes, a square bracket. So that's about list. Just do it in first Blackboard and then on IDLE. So list. As in variable, we got a container in which we name that container and put value in list be same like a variable. We have a container and name it in which we can put more than one value. Yeah. So like our variable is mutable, our list is also mutable. So let's get started to practice list in Python. Ideally. So here is our interpreter. Now I will make a list which named as names, in which I will put square bracket. Remember, for using list we have to use a square bracket, in which I will put one value. That's no. Yes. Vaishnav, Vyesh, and Philam. So let's check our variable is correct. Our list is correct or not. You can see that we got three value Vaishnav, Vyesh, and Vilohit. We have right in our list. So yes, our list work. Now I have told you that the list is also mutable. So let's change the value of it. So now we have put in another three values in our list. Now check we have changed the value of it or not. You can see that we have changed the three values of our list. So let's get to our another topic. Our next topic is tuple in Python. Now just remember that we have made a list which is mutable, but tuple is mostly same like list, but only one difference is that list is mutable but tuple is immutable. Yeah. So I doesn't want any explanation to do because nothing is there. Just it is same like a list. So let's practice in first in Blackboard and then in IDE. For using tuple, we have to use a round bracket. So now I will make a variable num. No. Name input value rational below it. Yes. So now we have made a tuple name and we can't change the value of it. Yeah. So just practice this in ideally. Just will open. Now I will make a tuple name. I will put value dash now below it and yes. So just oh. So I have just made a mistake that in this I have not put an is equal to, which is very important. So let's do it again. Yes. Let's press enter. Now I will say that we have made a tuple or not. You can see that we have made a tuple with three values. Now, as I said that tuple is immutable, just we will check that it is immutable or not. Now, I will put name is equal to name exactly. 2 minutes. have done a big mistake here. I have made a list which is named. So now we have made a variable which is Naveen Jackie. Now I will try to change it. And yes, so now we will just check it. So just let's get practice about set now. So set in Python. Set is same like tuple. Tuple. But it is sorted. You can't change the value of a set. Means like now I have made a set with it. For making a set, we have to use a curly bracket. Curly bracket. Just a minute. Curly bracket. This one. The meaning of sorted is that it is mixed. So let's get started to practice some about sets. Now I doesn't think so. I have to show it in black screen. So just started with idea. I will make a set as S, then curly brackets. Then in this I will not put the alphabets. I will put some numbers. 45, 65, 56, 56, 98, 96. So I will just present it. Now I'll press it. You can see that you are not getting same like 45, 65, 56, 96. It is sorted. It is called as step. So that's enough for today. In next video, we'll go after it. So bye bye.